Here we have this 69 plate BMW 330e M Sport. It comes with over £3,500 worth of factory extras, all of which are listed on our website. One to mention is the M Sport Plus package. We've got the LED headlights with the kidney grills at the front. We've also got the splitter at the bottom, front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera with an in-car visual display. We've got the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels with the blue M Sport design caliper behind. We've also got the privacy glass at the rear for the passengers with a black trim around the outsides with the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors. Onto the rear we've got the spoiler lip on the tailgate there. We've also got the dual exit exhaust integrated into the diffuser with the parking sensors running across the centre of the bumper. Now this car does come free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So as I show you the rear interior, you'll be able to see we've got the all black leather with the grey stitching, isofix points with the armrest in the centre, and we've also got the climate control for the passengers just there. We've also got the electric windows with the premium Harman Kardon sound system with the ambient lighting running through the door. Onto the front we've got the same styling front seats, all black leather with a grey stitching, both of which are heated, and we've also got that lumbar support on the seat as well. There's a look at those. We've got the electric mirrors with the electric windows, child lock at the rear, premium Harman Kardon sound system, again with that nice ambient lighting running through the door, automatic lights with the multifunctional steering wheel with the automatic wipers just here. Taking a seat inside, turning this vehicle on, it is a keyless start, so I put my foot on the brake, press the start button, and as you can see on the dashboard we're free from any warning lights. Onto the steering wheel you can see we've got the cruise control and speed limiter with the volume and the Bluetooth phone connectivity with the paddle shift behind on each side. We've also got the centre screen here with all the different functions down the left hand side. We've got the Bluetooth media and the Bluetooth phone connectivity. If we just go down to apps, we can see that you've got the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto. I'll show you the nav on the screen, has a nice big display just there. If I just pop this car into reverse, you can see we've got the rear reversing camera with the guidelines to help also. Popping it back into neutral, making our way down, we've got the dual climate control with the heated seats on both sides. Heated rear window with the air conditioning just there. Coming down we've got the automatic gearbox, we've got the dial with the buttons for the manual function for the screen, auto gearbox, we've got the parking sensors, traction control, and we've also got the different drive modes in which this car can be driven. Now that's all I'm going to show you guys today. For more information on this vehicle you can head to the website or give our sales team a call. This car comes with a fresh MOT and a fresh service and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.